First, attach all the long screws to the wooden board. There are 20 in total. Next, assemble the drawers by joining the wooden panels together, sliding the base panel into the groove. Securing it with the round clips, and finally fitting the handles and drawer runners. Step 3. Begin assembling the cabinet sections. Once the wooden panels are joined, secure them with round clips. Slide the back panel into the groove here. Fit the other half of the drawer runners. Finally, fit the cabinet legs and slide the drawers into the cabinet to complete the assembly.